Hi, my name is Lala Murad. This is my presentation for assignment 2. Assignment 2 contains part A and part B. Part A is a simple math game. First of all, it will generate a simple math questions based on the input, and if user answer is correct, it will get 1 marks. If the answer is wrong, it will get 1 mark deduction. Let's get started. First, I imported random and string libraries. Random library helps me to generate random numbers, and string helps me to convert uppercase to lowercase, etc. And here I connected my Collab and Google Drive. This one connect the score text file. If user has score text file and if it's empty, it will print out welcome to your math game. If the score text file is not empty, it will print out I'm happy to meet you again and demonstrate the user's last maximum score here. Here I added exception block, handling block. If the user don't have score text file, it will create score text file for the user and cache the error and print out the error here. Next, I declared a max score variable. It will collect the correct and the wrong answer here. This is the my math test function. First, I declared the global max score variable, and the number 1, number 2 variable will generate a random number from 1 to 10, and operator variable will get random operation symbols from 1 to 3. It's plus, minus, and multiplication symbols, and answer will collect number 1, number 2 operations, and symbol will collect the operations that operator variable get. This is the main math operation. If the operator get 1, symbol is plus. If 2, symbol is minus. If get 3, operator equals to 3, symbol will be multiplication. And based on that, user will input number 1, number 2, and they will get the answer. If user input invalid number, the exception block will cache the error. And if the answer is correct, system will print out congratulations, you are pro, and collect the max score, give the 1 mark. If the answer is not correct, the system will give the correct answer and deduct 1 mark. Next, if the user wants to continue the game, they can enter Y character. If they don't, if they want to exit the game, they can input any other characters, and the game will break and print out thanks for your playing and displaying the max score like this. And at the end, it will collect the max score in the file. Next, I will demonstrate part B of the assignment 2. This is a quadratic math game. We use quadratic formula like this. Let's get started. First, the system will print out welcome to quadratic equation game, and then print out the a quadratic equation formula like this. And user will input A, B, C value here. And if the user input invalid value, exception block will throw the error and show the value error. You invalid decimal number, please try again. And here it will print 1 will give the value of the quadratic equation. And the discriminant function will receive A, B, C and calculate the discriminant. Here, if the discriminant bigger than 0, it will show, wow, you got to solution, and it's x1 equals to this one, and it will concatenate to string and show the x2 value. If a discriminant equal to 0 and print out you got one solution, it's equal to this one. And if it's minus number, if it's lower than 0, it will show the discriminant is negative, we got a pair of complex solution. And this is the result. And system will save the answer in the file we created above. This is my end of the presentation. Thanks for your time.